Hey everybody, welcome to the Women's Fishing Network. My name is Christine and I'm your Wednesday host. And before I start talking about anything, have you checked out the online store? womensfishingnetwork.com. All the ladies are there with their blogs and their awesome videos, and there's all kinds of other cool stuff. There's an online store, you should check it out. It's very cool. Got our sponsors merchandise and probably stuff I don't even know about yet. These guys are busy. So, if you don't follow me on social media on Instagram, you can find me at Christine M. Baines, and I'm an artist. I do some artwork. I'm working on a piece right now. It's some pyrography, some wood burning, and it's the mayflies. So the lighting isn't great. And it's not even finished yet. So you're just gonna have to follow me on social media so you can see the finished product. But I have some things that I want to talk to you about the mayflies and what inspired me to do this piece. Okay, so Ephemeroptera, meaning short-lived. I can't pronounce the scientific name very well, as you can see, but the trout can't speak Latin, so they don't care. So if you know any fly fishers, or if you're a fly fisher yourself, you already know that mayflies have a very, very large role in fly fishing and the lifestyle in general. They are a very prolifically used symbol and fly, and variations of the fly. Ephemeroptera, literally meaning short-lived. Most mayfly lives are very short. Some species die within hours of their emergence from the water. There are more than 600 mayfly species in North America. Mayflies have a three-stage life cycle. They swim or crawl to the stream bottom to deliver their eggs, or drop or dip them from above the stream. The eggs can take 1 to 3 months to hatch. Once it hatches, it becomes a larva, or a nymph as fly fishers call them. They live in the stream bottom around rocks and vegetation, or buried in the sediment. The nymphs live in the water from a couple of months to a couple of years, depending on the species, most on average living 51 weeks subsurface. At approximately the same time each year, the mayflies emerge from their nymphal bodies, transforming into winged, air-breathing duns. Males usually begin the emergence and are quickly followed by the females. Most winged duns fly to streamside trees or vegetation to molt into spinners, and after 1 to 3 days, the sexually mature spinner breaks out of the dun's body. Mayflies are the only insects in the world that molt again after attaining a winged form. The spinners gather over riffles most often, but not always, in the evening just before dark. They mate, and the males usually fall into the water in a near-death state with outstretched wings that anglers call spent. The females then deposit their fertilized eggs into the water, and they too usually fall spent. This creates a great feeding opportunity for the fish, as hundreds or thousands of spent spinners lie nearly motionless on the surface. There is so much information about how to imitate mayflies in these stages in order to trick trout into feeding. So much information I dare not even go there. Many far more educated and experienced anglers would and have done a far better job of explaining those things. This is my 3rd year of fly fishing, and I am too new to the sport to teach much at all. My interest in the mayfly is their beauty, their delicate, pale, soft white wings that flutter even on the stillest of spring and summer days while fishing in the afternoon or early evening. Small plumes of them rising seemingly out of nowhere, then suddenly clouds of hundreds and thousands lighting softly on my arms and clothing. On the water, fluttering all around me like they are the summer breeze. So gentle, they land, you don't even feel them. Their quiet beauty almost making me hold my breath so as not to disturb their journey on the evening air. I always feel lucky to have witnessed these moments. There is something very special, almost a reverence in its happening, and quite often I will just close my eyes as they float around me in the warm air. I really do feel honored and very lucky to have witnessed these moments that I have described while fishing, and I hope that my art even is just a small symbol of the beauty that I see all around me while I'm out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care, everybody. See you soon.